nervous, Mona Lisa? A little bit nervous? Okay. Well, let's let them know that we appreciate them, that we love the song, even though they haven't sung it yet, that we love them, and we love the fact that they're up here doing something for God. Can you say amen?
Amen. Amen.
This verse inspired us to sing a song which is called Gold. In Psalms 19:9-10 says, "The fear of the Lord is clean, enduring forever. The judgments of the Lord are true and righteous altogether."
Amen.
More to be desired in day than gold, yea, than much fine gold, sweeter also than honey and the honeycomb. So that no matter how much people say you're ugly or they don't like you or you don't look nice, in God's eyes, we are all beautiful.
Amen.
You're beautiful, sticks and stones break your bones, and I know what you're feeling. Words like those won't steal your glow. You want in a million things. This is for all the girls, boys all over the world. Whatever you've been told, you are more than gold. So hold your head up high, it's your time to shine. From the inside out, it shows you are more than gold. Yeah, you are more than gold. Yeah. Everybody keeps score. Every time, oh, oh, oh. You just ignore.